BW'OKOGENDA hase omutumuko bomorokyo monne bw'esukuru y'abanyaruka ya St Angela Sengera eyo ritkoria rero ase Sister Margaret Sesera ime yesukuru eyo gotoka senseme ya Sengera bosoti bunge abo machoge chache county ya Kisii ase nkwana ya Sister Margaret nigo bono ahenekire emirimo akorere hase okurawa no monene nigo bono hase getira Abaorokigwa kogendera kubeka Omokia samasomo abo morokyo monene ntendera Madam Lucy na boigo omorai wa Abaorokigwa nigati ya Abaorokigwa bande nigo bono bamotogire Sister Margaret ase embwa yaye engia yobora yase skuru yo na boigo kumugandria amaya ekera kogenda na guchaka mutumukoe.
Foster family, the family of St Angela. Here we have the board members, the PA, the teachers and the students. Indeed, I remember vividly when I joined this community and family. I told you, I'll see you by your fruits. And the Enoch remembered. It's true. Because there's no need to say much, but in action, you know who people are. We have journeyed with you as a family. You created that environment whereby I was able to journey with you. You gave me ample time. We created that unity. The environment is peaceful, and that's what I admire. Girls, on your part, I always encourage you to be assertive.
So we were born at the same time as far as life at St. Angela Sengera Girls is concerned. 2 new administrators, but I believe we have done our work. And our leadership, I have learned a lot. Sister is one person who is very patient, very fair. Sometimes I lose my temper, I'm sorry to say that, but it is a personality. Sister will always call me and tell me, no, it's not a matter of life and death. Chukua vitu pole pole. She deals fairly and justly with any person, regardless of age, size, or whatever. Sister will always listen to you. Sister will give you a helping hand where you need it.
Our outgoing Sister Principal, we are really grateful to you. You have journeyed with us. We have seen the great work that you have done in this school. I know that the journey has not been easy, but by the grace of God, you have made it. Congratulations.